You're gonna love the 2020 Honda CR-V. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.